No, buddy. These were new. They looked pretty good still. Fuck. Fuck. Shaft looks aight. That doesn't look aight. Fuck. 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 Alright, I know what I'm looking for. This was broken actually though. This gasket, so go ahead and fuck that thing off. Scoring right here. Lots. Damn. Yeah, well. That's bad. I don't know if this is part of the cast. It looks like it is. But I have no idea. Oh, that doesn't look good. Is that supposed to be like that? I don't know. That is definitely not supposed to be like that, though. I know that. Yikes. Not too bad, I guess. Oh, maybe I don't know. Looks a little chewed up. Oh, yeah. Definitely up a little chewed up right there. Fuck. Damn. Oh, shit.